So the mystery box, what do we have? No, actually seven liner, long taper. In, turn, twist. I really want to see how these go. We got world famous red hot to say. Yeah, red hot. We're gonna color this sign in logo. I do like the fact that they have number 7 on it, because some needles are so much similar that you don't even know what needle you have inside. For example, what's the difference between all of those? I physically don't know which needle is which. I need to like push them out one by one and then kind of judge, oh, that's that needle. Oh, that could be. Oh, I think that is. And it doesn't have a clear indication where this one does. So that is a massive benefit. And I feel like he gave me the amount of ink I needed, not too much, not too little. The ink flow wasn't struggling anywhere, and it was coming out as I wanted. So that's a big help as well. But the funniest thing is we still don't know where these boxes came from. They're literally just blank black. It says number 1. Don't know what that was, but yeah, just black.